Hey guys, I am going to be making another one of my YouTube channel videos. This is a project video. I know I'm right over here and there's a lot of space over here. There's nothing over here I'm trying to show you. There's nothing over here I'm trying to show you. So, I keep thinking that. So, we're going to be making a bird with scissors, glue. I'm using tape because all the glue I have is doesn't work. So I'm going to use tape for now. And you're going to need a pencil. Now, you're not going to need your pencil very long, so you really won't need an eraser. But if you mess up a bunch of times, you're going to need an eraser. I'm going to use a mechanical pencil because these never run out. You can always sharpen them like this. Alright. Materials: pencil, tape or glue, scissors, and 2 pieces of paper. I'm using pink and yellow. Alright. First, you're going to use your pencil, and on your paper, you're going to draw a shape somewhat like an 8. Okay? This is what I used at school. This is the shape that I used at school. It's really hard to see it, so I'm going to press down on it whenever I'm writing right here. You should personally use a mechanical. Whenever I did this project at school, this was a real bird. So I consider you to get some watercolors and make a fancy looking paper and then do the drawing and cutting. So this is the shape of what you should have. Then you're going to cut that. Now with this pencil, you're not going to be drawing and doodling your bird. You're going to be cutting out your bird. Alright, I consider whenever you tape or glue this, if you're using glue, the side you should use glue on is the side, if you didn't cut it directly on the line, that's okay because your body can be shaped as anything, but make sure it's a bird-looking shape of the body. I consider if you're using glue and you didn't exactly get on the lines, wherever there's pencil mark, make sure you don't see that on the side to where there's no line marks, okay? If you didn't cut on the line. Tapers, sorry. Okay, so you got your body. Now let's see. So it was body. Oh yeah, the foot. Okay, you're gonna draw like a paw. I consider you make this big because you're gonna have a big bird. Alright, you should have the... I'm gonna cut this out real quick so that you can see the shape of what you should draw. Okay, I'm about to finish, and you should have a foot the size of this. Okay, now, this is what your thing should look like. So place your foot right here. You know what? I'm going to do it like this. So place your foot right here like that. They'll look all cool. And they're ready to go. So you can do this if you want. No, this. You can do this if you want, but most people probably want to do this. Okay, next. Cut out a leaf shaped, a big one. A leaf shaped. Now if you use a leaf, like a literal leaf, it's probably not a good idea. Alright, do this, but this looks like a seed. So at the end, just kind of tighten it up to where at the end it has a point, like a feather. Okay, so once you did that, you know what? Whenever we get to taping part, I'll show you how you're gonna do it. So that, okay. Now you're gonna cut out a perfect circle. Oh, if you have some, you can use googly eyes for this part. Alright, you're gonna cut out a little circle, and you are going to take that circle. If you have googly eyes, tape or glue that onto your circle. If you don't, you're going to take your pencil and just mark a little hole into the middle of that circle. That's going to be the eye. Alright. As soon as you got the eye in stock, then we're going to have to do a little something. Oh no. No. Okay. I gotta keep my camera like this. So. but slightly bigger. Okay, you're going to draw and cut out something that looks like a little seedling, and you're going to cut out 3 of those. I am not going to use those. Okay, so if you don't see that, then it's because I'm not doing that. Yeah, those. Alright, you're going to cut out the shape of a beak. Later today I'm going to get some ice cream. Okay, this is the shape of my beak. You can make any shape you want. Alright, now time for the taping and gluing. I consider you do how I'm going to do this. Alright, take your body and your stuff. I'm going to start out with your beak, and you are too. Alright, so take this and glue it onto your body. Or tape. Simply good enough like this. It's good enough. Alright, then you're going to take that little circle that you put a little dot or googly eye on. You're going to tape that or glue it onto a part above your beak. If I'm going too fast, I'm sorry. It's just that I want to go through this quick, so it's easy. Alright. Make it look good. This is starting to look like a sad flamingo. I'm going to add a little smile. It still looks like a sad one. Okay. You're going to get on with this. So, when you've done this, tape your eye right here. I made a little smile because it was looking a little sad. So you're going to take your feather. It's going to be your feather. And you're going to glue that onto your body. Like make it face downward a little bit. Like this. Like this. Now, last but not least, the little foot on it. This foot is going to be placed on the lower body, the low part of the body. So this is what it should look like. Now, last but not least, remember those 3 little things that are supposed to be a shape of seedlings? Just glue those 3 things on the top of your head. I am not doing those things on camera because it takes too long to just show you that. But as soon as you finish all that, you have your own bird now. You can fly all you want. Thanks for watching, and peace.